Hello. Today we are discussing about RAINTECH POS billing software VAT edition. It is using for abroads like Gulf countries and all, except India. India it is GST, and like Dubai and our Saudi Arabia, they are all using VAT. So and US like that countries they are using VAT. So how we can use VAT edition billing software, which is the best user friendly VAT edition billing software, we will check it in this video tutorial. So just we are opening RAINTECH POS VAT edition software. Here you can see this user ID and password. Here itself you can control your software, and you can secure your software, like you can create your own password and username. Also you can give another user ID and a password for your salesman, so that the salesman he can log in on their user ID password, so they have the restrictions to use, they have some controls like that. So now I just ADMIN and 1 2 3 4 5 just put as a default password, and I open the VAT edition billing software. You can see the beautiful user friendly interface. And here one main information I want to give you, you can share this PC to multiple different PCs. Like for example, you have an admin PC and you have 2-3 user PC, and for example you have your salesman 1, salesman 2. So you can connect with the network cables with router. So the RAINTECH customer care support, they can give you the sharing system within few minutes. They can share the PC, and the multiple people they can use it with their own user ID and password. So here we can see the RAINTECH POS VAT edition software home screen. You are seeing this is the very beautiful user interface. Once you are getting such kind of software in your PC, so first of all what you need to do, here you can go and you can create your company information. So master entry company info, you can put your company information. For example, I am putting here RAINTECH demo. I can put it in capital demo, and I can put my address like Vaikam, and we can put it in Kerala. If you have a abroad like that, in for example UAE, I can put it in UAE, and contact number 8078311945, and email ID RAINTECHPOS at raintechstore@gmail.com. example, and you can add one logo. I put just my ISO certificate over there. You can put your own logo, and you have a VAT number. You can mention your VAT number over here, so that it will display on your each bill. And here you have some write-off amount control systems are there. Maximum at the same sale time, when you are doing the sale, at that time how much amount you can put the discount even for your sales people. So here I put maximum $1,000, yeah, 1,000 dirhams, whatever. So bill code you can mention, this bill code which will come along with your invoice number, that also you can mention over there. I just put RR. Any bill code you can mention over there as you wish, but it is minimal 1 or 2 letters. And privilege card also you can use, privilege card percentage also you can mention over there. And here there is some more information over there, terms and conditions. Like when you are making the invoice to some your customers, or when you are making the bill to some of your customers, in the end of the bill, in the bottom of the bill, there should be some formats like terms and conditions, like this after wash, this cloth cannot be replaced, or something like that. Whatever your terms and conditions you can mention over there. If you did not mention also, no problem, you can just save it over here. That's it. Simply you can save it and close it. So once again you logged out and log in, so your company it will create successfully. Just log in again, ADMIN and 1 2 3 4 5. Just log in again here. You can see over here, you can see in the bottom also your company name is created over here. So the next step is that you need to add products. For example, here when you are installing the software, there it will be blank, there will be nothing. You can add your own product in 3 different ways, like in Excel bulk upload product. You can, if for example you have some thousands of products, 2000 3000 products, one by one adding it is very hard in billing software. So here in the RAINTECH POS billing software, there is a facility you can add the products through Excel bulk upload systems. That one is the way. The another way is that one by one product you can add over here. The third option is that you can add products through purchase and rehouse. So here I will come back again. Here you can go to the import export product. Over here you can click on that products. See here it is blank now. Here you can see that there is an export Excel option you can see over here. Just click on that. After click on that, there will be one Excel sheet. The blank template will export to Excel sheet. So here you can see that in the bottom of this screen there is a Excel. It is downloaded already. You can save this Excel sheet to your desktop. Book name 1, just I save it to desktop. Here you can put some product name, SHIMPO, shampoo, mango, like that, mango, MANGO, whatever, the soap, paste, whatever your product is, that thousands of products you can enter over here. Here you can put subcategory ID as 1. There is many subcategory IDs there. I will come back to subcategory ID, how it is creating subcategory ID I will tell you. And there is an HSN code is there. This is a tax code actually. For the VAT edition there is a HSN code. If there you can mention, otherwise you can mention 00. Everywhere you can mention 0. Okay. And part number and a description, if you have, you can mention, otherwise you can put it as a blank. For example, any descriptions you have to mention, you can. Purchase price, for example, $10 or 10 dirham, whatever it is, you can mention it over here. I will just make it a little big. Sale price you can mention over here. For example, this is $12, yeah, $14, something like that, $13. Sale price you can mention $25, yeah, $30, $35, yeah, $40, whatever it is. And any discount if you are providing while selling, you can mention it over there. Otherwise, you can put 0. Okay. And here you can mention, put it as a blank. And here you can mention your VAT percentage, like 5% VAT, this is 6%. Even different products can put different VAT also. This is 5%, this is 4%. If you have some countries like that, all products have same tax. In that both conditions you can manage over there. See, if you have other taxes you can mention, otherwise you need to put 0. Reorder point means I put 2 pieces, like for example opening stock I have 100 pieces, and when I am selling one by one, when it is reaching to 2 pieces, the software will give you alert. This one I put it 200 pieces, this one 300 pieces stock I have, 400 pieces stock I have, all I put different reorder point, I can mention it. You got it, no? Okay. So next is barcode. Barcode you can put it on serial number wise, or if you have any products barcode, by for example some products have already barcodes. So those barcodes you can just scan with your barcode gun, so that it will, the number will display over here like that. Or some in cases, for example, you need to create system generated barcode. For example, those products don't have barcode, you can create from 1001, yeah, like that. 1002, sorry, 1002, 1003, like that you can mention over there. And you can mention here unit also, numbers, NOS. Okay, NOS, yeah, kg, liters, whatever it is you can add over here. Okay, and we will go again. Main size, XL, yeah, double XL, such kind of sizes are there, you can mention over there. Otherwise you can mention blank 0. You can mention all 0. And in the same software you can use wholesale also. Wholesale and retail both you can use. If you are not using wholesale, you can mention here 0, and here also you can mention 0 if don't have a wholesale discount. So now the Excel sheet I just prepared, you can create like that thousands of products. Just save the file again and close it, and before uploading this file I will show to the stock register, and I will show you what is the stock currently. Here you can go, here is the stock is there. Just go to the stock button, click on that. There is no product right now. So what we are going to do, just import export products again. That file which we prepared right now, just we are importing to the Excel to the software through Excel sheet. So click on import file here over there, import Excel. Click on that, go to desktop where our file is there, desktop. Here book 1, open. All files come over here. Just click on save button which is in the top. You can see over here, save. Just successfully saved. So now we will go to stock button. If the stock did not came, we need to do some small steps also. We will check the stock button. All stocks are there. If your unit is not mentioned in the software, the stock will not add. So we can check the unit over here in the master entry. Here you can go master entry, and here the units. Whatever the unit which you added, like number pieces we added, right? PIC, no, NOC. Nos we add, numbers we added. We will check what unit we added again. Just open the Excel sheet. The unit which we added is NOS. Okay. So we will add NOS over here. A unit. NOS, NOS, numbers. Whatever, for example, N numbers, NU, MB, ERS, whatever unit you need, kg, kilogram, whatever it is, you can add over there. So again, you can see here subcategory. Here general I put it. You can put like menswear, women's wear, general, grocery, supermarket. Whatever subcategory you need to create, you can create over there. Here one ID which is creating. This is what we are putting in the Excel sheet. Okay. So just we add the product. Now if you are going to the sale panel, you will see all the products which we added in the sale panel also. See here over here. All the products over here just came already. So our next step is that not directly selling. The product which we added, we need to create some barcodes, labels for those products. In order to that, here one button is called barcode. You can click on the barcode. There is all the products which we added, it will display over here. You can put the quantity, how many pieces you need, the barcode. Just click on one, like that. You can add it and click tick button over here. Such a simple way you can create barcode. And here the next step is that here you can see the load of templates over here. See, this is many number of templates you can see. There is in the billing software we are adding this thermal printer which we are using, LP46 Neo TVS barcode, even bill also you can print in this printer. So this printer here we will print some barcodes. Here you can click it in the templates. Here you can see there is a barcode which is already generated. Automatically it will generate, and packed data also, everything. It is all about customize. You can do the customization on this barcode label. The pack date and the expiry date, everything you can customize. This option we are providing from RAINTECH. Here we are using this printer, and the paper size is this is 2 inch and this is 0.92, less than 1 inch actually, not exactly 1 inch with consider the margins. So here we are going to print the labels on this printer. In order to that, what we need to do, we need to go to our settings, printer settings. Here we are putting 4 inch, means 2 plus 2, yani 4 inch. And the height is, I will mention the 0.92, the height, and in the margin also I put it a little bit in the top, and I put OK. And here in the stroke I change to a thermal transfer. This is because we are using the ribbons, and here I put it label with marks. So this is the settings I have done, and I apply it, and I am going to do the printing. So let's see how the print will come over here. Just I am putting print. So let's see how the print will come over here. See your print over here, you can see over here the print is came. So we can take this product like that. You can see over here how beautiful this print is came. So the next step is that you can take your barcode gun like that. This is the barcode gun. When you are going to the sale panel, close this one, open the sale window, just scan this barcode like that. So automatically the product will display over here. You can change how much, you can put how much amount he have paid, and just save and print it. Now we select the printer, and this clear printout which is came already from Epson printer, you can see over here. So beautiful. One more time we will just scan again one product like that. I will show you. Just scan this product. So 26.5, you can put the amount how much he paid, maybe $100, yeah, 100 rupees, whatever it is. Save and print, and put egg. Yes, so the print will come over here. See, you can see the print is came already, the beautiful printout. See, and the thing is that this bill, the format, whatever you are looking, it is completely customized. You can customize. For example, you want to change the language. For example, you want to change the style, format, whatever it is, you can customize it. This is the way, very simple way you can handle this RAINTECH POS billing software for your business. And there is a lot of features are there, like SMS option, customized SMS options, like reports, VAT reports and all, and sales return, purchase return, and credit facility, account management facility. All the features are there in RAINTECH VAT edition software. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye.